नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अन अबी हुरैरा रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु क़ाल क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मन ज़रअल क़ई व साइम फलैसा अलैहि क़ज़ा व मन इस्तक़ा अमदन फलयक़ज़ि. It is narrated from Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu that Rasulullah sallam said, he who vomits unintentionally while fasting, then no need of making up for the fast. But if he vomits intentionally, then he has to make up for the fast. From this hadith, we come to know about the rule that he who vomits unintentionally, then his fasting is valid. No need of qaza, making up for the fast. But if he vomits intentionally, then his fasting is not valid. He has to make up for the fast. Vomiting intentionally means that by putting the finger in the throat or by pressing the stomach. So there are different rules for making up for the fast. If a person vomits unintentionally and he thinks that his fasting has been broken and he eats and drinks something by mistake, then qaza, making up for the fast, is compulsory for him. But if he knows about the rule and eats and drinks something intentionally, then qaza and kafara both are compulsory for him. If a person eats and drinks something by mistake and thinks that his fasting has been broken and he eats and drinks something after this, then qaza, making up for the fast, is compulsory for him. If a person breaks his fast 1 minute before the iftar time, then his fasting is not valid. Qaza, making up for the fast, is compulsory for him. If a water comes down to the throat while performing the ablution, rinsing the mouth, or taking the bath, then his fasting is not valid. Qaza, making up for the fast, is compulsory for him. If a blood comes down to the throat from the gums, then his fasting is not valid. Qaza, making up for the fast, is compulsory for him. Smoking breaks the fast. Qaza, making up for the fast, is compulsory for him. But if he smokes intentionally, then qaza and kafara both are compulsory for him. If a person put the betel nut in his mouth at the dawn and fell asleep, and after the dawn time, after the sahar, then he opened his eyes, then his fasting is not valid. In such case, qaza, making up for the fast, is compulsory for him. So there are different rules. May Allah help us to understand the Quran and Sunnah. After viewing this video, share it. It will become sadaqah jariyah for you. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.